My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying, they take me away. My sneakers know you've been lying, so we run away. My sneakers know I've been crying.
Cracking YouTube, it's me, your host Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. Once again, bringing another sneaker review / sneaker pickup. Before we get started, do me a favor, like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my sneaker Instagram, my main Instagram, all in the description below, and it'll be below somewhere right here, right there, right there. I don't know, so it's gonna be on the screen. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. This is sneaker review number 2 for the day. Go check out my review on the Air. No, I was about to say women's, but it's not a women's. The Air Jordan 4. I forgot the name of it already. Air Jordan 4 Craft. The Air Jordan 4 Crafts. It will be a little bubble. A thing will be up there. Go check that out. And at the end of this video, it will be like a little video box at the end about my previous sneaker review, which will be the Air Jordan 4 Craft. So go check that out. This was actually what I was supposed to go pick up today. This did release today. So I'm happy I got it. We're going to go straight into it. Not waste no time. Boom. You see the white box with the black box and the Air Jordan wings with the basketball on the front. So you know what that means. You know what it is. It is an Air Jordan 2. So it reads women's Air Jordan 2 Retro Low White Gem Red DK Powder Blue size 10, which is the equivalent of a men's 8.5. Suggested retail price, I always forget. They took it off of the box, but I'll tell y'all when I get to the actual information about the shoe. But I think it was like 130, 135, something like that. Oh, no, you know what? I think it was 150. But anyway, size 10, 8.5 equivalent. So you know what that means? Personal pair, no reseller here. Boom. Was actually looking forward to this. Saw this a couple weeks ago on the Sneakers app. Got it at my local Foot Locker. Shout out to Foot Locker. And really wanted it. So without further ado, oh, these are so clean. Boom, drop this up. Got that right there. We got the, I don't know the name of this. So hold on, do we got, oh, I didn't know it. I got it. I just looked at the screen. So we got the the women's Air Jordan 2 Low UNC to Chicago. Boom. Like I said, I was waiting for this. I am a fan of 2s. I like 2s. I know 2s are very, very slept on. Like 2s, 8s, 9s. I don't really like 9s like that. 8s and 9s. If I had to pick 2 silhouettes, so I only get 1 through 14 when it comes to Jordan Retros. I don't go past 14. The rest of them are ugly to me. Out of the 1 through 14, the only shoes I really don't like that much would be, if I had to pick 3, would be for sure 9s. That's the number 1 shoe I don't like out of the 1 out of 14s. 8s would be number 2. And if I had to pick a third, would probably be a tie between 6s and 7s. Like, I like the colorways they come out with, but I don't like, no, you know what? It would be 6s. Because I love the 6s colorways, but I hate the tongue. I hate the little tongue with the 2. I hate the 6s. Just that tongue. But anyway, I like Jordan 1 lows. I mean Jordan 1 2 lows. I like these. This is a good shirt. So I got some information off of, where we on? We on KicksOnFire.com. Shout out to KicksOnFire.com. It reads, suggested retail price was $152. I was right once again. All right. It reads, got any ladies that mess with the Air Jordan 2 Low? If so, this upcoming news is for you, as an Air Jordan 2 Low and brand new women's UNC the Chicago colorway expected to make its debut next year. Set to release exclusively in women's sizes, this brand new makeup of the Air Jordan 2 Low will blend together UNC and Chicago vibes, much like Jordan Brand did with the Air Jordan 1 back in 2020, which also happens to be a women's release. The Air Jordan 2 Low women's UNC to Chicago will come dressed in an official color scheme listed as white, fire red, dark powder blue, and sail. This release pays homage to Jordan's college days at UNC, while also paying tribute to his NBA career with the Chicago Bulls. Detail includes a white leather upper paired with red contrasting accents on the piping and I said piping. Piping and wings logo on the tongues. Elsewhere, you will find dark powder blue hits on the back heel and portions on the outer sole, and midsole rounds out the main features of the shoe. All right, I think that's pretty much it. Yep. And then 150, like I said, retail. So, white leather upper. You see them hits of that Chicago red right there. What they say, fire red, going right here, and on that right there, and on the Air Jordan wings on the tongue. Got that UNC back right there, and this little pod right, not pod, but you know, on the back heel, on the bottom, on the outer sole. Got that red pod right there, Nike right there on the bottom. It does come with some extra laces, which I haven't seen yet. I'm hoping they're blue. This light powder blue, these would be so fire with light. I have not looked at it yet. It's just stuffed into the shoe. Is it blue? I'm not gonna look at it yet. My eyes are closed. I'm hoping it's blue. I think it's a little cut right there. Is it blue? It's red. Of course it's red. Why wouldn't it be red? But why am I complaining when I have a red hat on and a red shirt? Anyway, you know what? Red would look good with this too. I could buy some blue. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna get some blue laces because I mix them up. Red one, blue the other one. These gonna look fun. These are so fire. Oh, these are so fire. These are so fire. Got that powder blue insole in there with Nike's red, right? Yeah, Nike's red. Can you see that? Got that? Cool. Rest of it is white laces right there. Pretty plain, not plain shoe, but pretty straight to the point shoe. I think it's a dope shoe. Got the sail outer sole right there. Well, midsole right there coming. So I like the shoe. 1 to 10, Mache, what are you giving it? I don't expect a high grade from Mache on this shoe. For 2 reasons. Before she give me this her grade. 1, the way her face is right now, I do not think she likes the silhouette. And 2, I think she thinks the color scheme is plain. But go ahead, tell me what you think.
7.5.
That's pretty good score though.
It's a good shoe.
For a shoe you don't like, a 7.5 is good.
It's a good shoe. It's just like I said, it's too much white.
Okay, that's what classic be saying too when I get a white shoe.
Yeah.
Now, do you like the silhouette?
Yeah, I like it.
The Air Jordan 2 silhouette.
Yeah, I like the silhouettes and everything. It's just the fact that it's too plain, like, and it's just too much white.
Okay, yeah. Respectable. I definitely can get on board with that.
Like it's like if they just threw the colors on there.
Well,
like I know, like if they were doing for his college days and his NBA days,
yeah,
but they could have put like
more.
a little bit more, at least a little bit more red.
I respect it. Hey.
If you want to go with Chicago and North Carolina, you could just go all out.
I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. I'm not mad at that. I mean, it was a very detailed response, and 7.5 is still a good score. So I mean, I'm not mad at it. I'm gonna give this shoe. Damn, you got me thinking about it now. I'm gonna give it a 7.5 also. I gotta go. You know what? I agree because they could have put some more. They could have put some. So it's only 2 hits of blue, and this is the bottom, and this is the back. They could have did some more. They could have probably put some on the tongue or something. All right. I'm gonna go with 7.5 also. It's a dope shoe. I like this shoe. I love the Jordan 2 low silhouette. But I agree, it's too much white. Once this get dirty, I mean, you can clean it, but you got to really tiptoe in your Jordan with this. So, all right, Michelle won me over. All right, 7.5. I'm going to give 7.5. We agree on that. All right, y'all let me know in the comments below what y'all think about this shoe, the women's Air Jordan 2 UNC to Chicago. Was it cop? Was it drop? Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? You going to leave it? Do you think this shoe going to sit? The Foot Locker I went to only had 13 pairs of these. Only one size 10, so which was mine. So, nobody was out there though, so it wasn't like people was lining up to get this shoe. When I was in there, another woman went in there and she was like looking at it because it was a new release. She said she only liked new releases, but then when she tried it, she's like, I don't really like it. I had to really actually talk into it again. I was like, yo, it's a fire shoe. So the hype on this is not high, which Air Jordan 2s is never going to be high. Even for the Chicago 2s, which is a original OG colorway, that wasn't high. That's still sitting. So y'all let me know in the comments below. Like, subscribe, share, follow my TikTok, my Instagram, my sneaker Instagram, all in the description below. Click the notification bell so every time I post new content, you'll be notified. Go check out my last sneaker review, which is the Air Jordan 4 Crafts. Yeah, and that's it. For me, your host, Tune, aka your favorite sneakerhead. representing Tunes Kicks, and the whole Tune Squad. You know what to do. Have a nice day.